Yeah, of course, it's a great feeling when you are recognized and your work is recognized. For that matter, today I am so happy that Lexicon is actually creating leaders. Everyone is doing in their own field some work or the other without realizing that their leadership qualities. But when you recognize their leadership qualities by giving them award, it gives them a sense of great responsibility. It gives them a great sense of doing more and more things in whatever they are doing, and they continue doing over here. Thank you, Lexicon, for a wonderful initiative. Well, actually, right from beginning, I would say that even when I was studying, I wanted to be in whichever field I am entering. I wanted to be on the top and steer the whole moment and take all the people along with me and take him to a different level or a greater height. When I was in college, I was a leader in my college. Then I started my business. I gathered all my businessmen, my colleagues along with me. Today also, when I was the president of the club, Pune Club, I gathered all the presidents of different clubs, formed association, and we have a common goal. So we need somebody to actually spearhead the whole movement, and we need a direction. So that is what I thought I could give them, and I did it for them. Thank you. I feel that every individual has a quality in him or her. Only thing is, you need to understand your quality very well. That comes only when you stand with people, your colleagues. Then you realize how different you are, what you can gather from other people. Education is a learning process throughout your life. You have to keep learning, keep gathering a lot of knowledge from everyone. You have to extract the knowledge from everyone and try and see whether you can implement that. Try and see that whether you can impart your expertise also to somebody else. And that's how then you don't have to hesitate in taking lead in the whole thing, and that's how you become a leader. I feel that we Indians are basically very good in analysis, research and analysis. Unfortunately, the evolution of the education is in such a way that we've been just following what is the curriculum has been given to us. We're not thought out of the box as such. But I believe that research and development is the only area where India can lead the world. And today we have to create our leaders through research. So I'm very happy that Lexicon has taken that lead. Lexicon has got a vision to create the researchers by implementing those schemes in your students over here, and recognition of your work by giving your students a window to IIM is a great thing. I wish them all the very best. I'm sure the country is going to be in a better hands. Thank you so much.